Quick question. Do you genuinely feel stuck on the fretboard? Like you know your scales, you know some chords, you got a pretty good handle on theory, but you genuinely still feel boxed in and the neck feels random. Well, you're not alone. Most guitarists spend years trying to memorize patterns on the fretboard without really truly understanding how it all connects. So everything that you play ends up sounding the same, feeling the same. It actually starts to become rather boring to you. And so you wonder why you're not progressing, even though you feel like you've done the right work. I'm Rob from Alien Guitar Secrets, and I've been exactly where you are now. I hit that exact same wall. And what changed the game for me was to understand how the notes, the intervals, the scales, and the chords all relate to each other. And that the cornerstone of that is understanding how the fretboard connects. So that's why I put together this free Fretboard Starter mini course. It's designed to give you a real shift in how you see the fretboard. It's not just another scale or another pattern to memorize. In this free mini course, you'll see exactly how the fretboard connects. Understand why patterns feel limiting, learn how to orient yourself anywhere on the neck, and start building real confidence when you play. This isn't a 30-second hack or magic trick. It's a genuine introduction to the system that I teach my students to unlock fretboard freedom. And you'll get practical insights that you can use straight away. And if this resonates with you, just know that this mini course is the doorway to a much deeper dive in my full course, Fretboard Mastery. But for now, start here. It's free and it can change how you approach the instrument. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start understanding how the fretboard works properly, hit the button below and jump into the mini course, and I'll see you inside.